Yep, absolutely guys. As you can see guys, we won this trade too. What's popping guys, it's your boy XO, and in this video I will show you guys how to use the SMA, which stands for the simple moving average, in combination with a simple price action trading strategy that you can add, that you can combine with the SMA to make it even better, like to make it highly profitable. So let's get started. And also, only a small percentage of people that watch my videos are actually subscribed, so if you end up liking this video, please make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Like this video, it means a lot to me guys, and let's get started. So guys, first thing first is we have to put the EMA on our charts. So let me take this out, let me take them out and show you guys how I put them on my chart. So you come to this point and you search for moving average. Right here you click on the moving average 3 times. Alright guys, so the first one will be a 9-period MA, a 9-period moving average, and the second one will be a 21-period moving average, and the third one will be a 200-period moving average. Yeah, so as you guys can see, let me change the color. Okay guys, so as you can see, the way I use the SMA is I take my trades when I see price below the 200 MA line. So we'll be taking our trades in the direction of the SMA line, which is the 200 period SMA line. So once we see the price is below the SMA line and we see a cross on the 9 and the 21 period SMA line, then we will wait for an engulfing candlestick to take place, which is the price action guys. So after the engulfing candlestick, then we'll take our trade for a sell. When the price is below the 200 exponential move, when the price is below the 200 simple moving average line, then we'll wait for a price action, which is an engulfing candlestick. So I won't just jump into a trade because I see the 9 period and the 21 period SMA line crosses below the 200 SMA line. I have to wait for another confluences, which is adding a price action, an engulfing candlestick price action into the picture. So after the cross at this point, I waited and bam, this was a beautiful engulfing candlestick. And you're wondering how do we set our stops and targets? I would recommend you use the ATR value of this candlestick, which is like use the 2x ATR value or a 1.5, depending on which one you want to use. It's up to you guys. So I'm most likely going to use the 2 period or the 1.5. Let's see the ATR value of this candlestick and let's use the 2x, like let's use 2 times the ATR value. So this is my ATR average true range. So let's see what it is. So as you can see, it's 35. So let's get that. So the average true range of this candlestick is 35. So 35 times 2, 70. Obviously 70. So we'll come here and take our position tool. So guys, 70, and for this trade I'll be taking the 1 to 1.5. So as you can see, the 1 to 1.5 was a win, the 1 to 2 was a win, but let's stick with the 1 to 1.5. So this was a beautiful win, and let's wait for it. Let's look for a buying trade. Alright guys, so I just found a setup for a buy. So let's see. You can see the price is clearly above the 200 simple moving average line, and you can see the 9 and the 21 period is actually above the 200 ME line. And then finally we saw a cross. No, we saw this cross, but this is a cross for a sell. Like when the 9 period crosses the 21 period, going down is a sell obviously, and we won't take sell trades when the price is above the 200 ME line. So right here we saw a cross for a buy, and like I said on the first trade, we waited for an engulfing candlestick, which is this candlestick. And let's see the ATR value of this candlestick so we can take our trade. Okay, quickly, this is a free account, so I can't use more than 3 indicators. So 39 times 2, 78. So guys, we'll be using a 78 pip stop at this point for your 1 to 1.5. So 78 pip stop for your 1 to 1.5. Yep, absolutely guys. As you can see guys, we won this trade too. So guys, I do not use the EMA line in my trading strategy. So guys, this video is just for me showing you how I will use the MA line, which is a simple moving average line, in my trading strategy. If I'm going to use it, this is how I'm going to use it. So this is just me this is a strategy I just came up with using the SMA and price action. So instead of just jumping into a trade when you see a cross just like that, I recommend you just wait for an engulfing candlestick. So it actually helps you filter out bad trades, because you could take a trade here and the market just tanks down and take you out completely. So waiting for an engulfing candlestick like this will add some more confluences to the trade and give you a much more better view of how the market is moving. So yeah. Alright guys, so like I always say guys, you need to go and back test any if you see a strategy that you like online on YouTube, in a course, in a paid course, in a free course, whenever you see a strategy, go back and back test it. Come on guys, this market is free, TradingView is free, you can go back and back test. Of course you can't use the back testing tool, but you can literally go back in time and back test it. If you know what you're doing, then you definitely know what you're doing. Like you can, okay, break and retest. I can say, okay, break and retest. I can just come back here and back test. Okay, I'm looking for an engulfing candlestick. This is an engulfing candlestick. I do not need this rewind tool, obviously. So you just come back test it and see if it's something you like. All right. So I have probably done a lot of back testing, probably like 200 different strategies back tested. I've backtested more than 200 strategies, and I've filtered out bad trades. I combined strategies, and so trading is not easy. It's for those who really want to be financially who needs freedom, financially free. Alright guys, if you found value in this video, please make sure to subscribe and smash the bell icon. Make sure to leave a like guys on this video. I want you guys to leave a like. It's proof of concept that you like this video. Please leave a like and support the channel guys. Share this video, leave a comment on what video you want to see next, and I'll make sure to make it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay exo.